Well, hello and good morning. Is it still morning? Yes, it is.
Yes, it's quarter past 11.
11 on a beautiful sunny day.
Oh, another hot one.
And where are we, my dear?
We're in Denmark.
Yeah, in the village, or little town rather, of Skagen. It's right at the top end of, top end of Denmark, on a little pointy bit that sticks out at the end, as far north as you can get in Denmark. We're here on our cruise with P&O, and we're on the good ship Aurora, having a cruise around the Baltic and Norway. We're just about halfway through our cruise, or just over anyway. I think we must be halfway through. Halfway through, yeah. Anyway, let's go and have a little look around the little town of Skagen. It's only a small place.
I think the World and his wife have arrived here today because the cruise ship's in and all the shops have opened up and got all their goodies out in the hope of selling it to the cruisers.
Yeah, I think there's more than one cruise ship in because I've heard some other motorbike going by. I've heard some other foreign accents besides English, so I think there's other people in today. Anyway, let's go and have a walk. Right, we have a boxer here. I don't know who he is. No idea. There's nothing on him.
Not a clue.
Obviously, that's where we are, Skagen. Grand Open 2025. Whatever the grand opening is, we do not know.
Gallery Wolfson.
Yeah.
It's an art gallery.
It must be, yes. It's that gallery there that we're stood by. Anyway, we're going to walk this way, which is down one of the main streets, a shopping street.
There's a few pop-up shops that obviously don't normally open up.
No.
So the locals are out to see what is in the pop-ups. We've just had quite a strange breakfast.
We have, yes. Yes. At a place called Jacob's. We'll show you that as we walk by. There's no multi-stories here. It's all low-rise. They're all built very similar, painted the same as well, and they're all in that, I don't know what colour it is. It's not a yellow, it's
a mustard. Yeah,
it's a mustardy colour. There's a hat shop to our right, all sorts of hats.
Called Happy Helmet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Clothes shop to our right, and Italian fashion.
Alcohol shop to our left.
Yeah, we'll come round to that. Yeah, alcohol. Let's see if we can get a glimpse in here. Alcohol shop, all sorts of goodies in there. Wines, spirits, all sorts in there.
This is nice pottery. This is
lovely, isn't it?
I like this.
And they have their own Skagen whiskey there, look. Yeah. And those are available in that shop as well. So far on our trip we have done Norway, so this is our first visit to Denmark. First of two. We will be back here again further along on our trip, but not here, to a different destination, Copenhagen, so that'll be coming later if we manage to get a video there.
Although it'll be a big city, so
yes, it will be. Yeah. Lovely church coming up here to our left. Let's just go and have a look at this church. Oh, one little bit of information. We nearly got run over this morning. Stepped out onto a zebra crossing because a car pulled up for us to cross, and from behind him shot a car, overtaking him, and had it been a couple of seconds quicker, we would have been underneath the car, both of us. What
Yeah.
a complete idiot. Chap in the car that stopped just looked at me and shook his head. I put my fist up at the man, but he just ignored us. What a complete idiot. So you have idiot drivers here as well in Skagen, in Denmark.
It's obviously been very warm here because the grass is all,
Yeah, look at it. It's quite dead.
yeah.
Yeah, it's not very green. That's quite a beautiful church.
Mm.
That looks like it's a copper tower at the top there.
Yeah,
Gone
yes,
quite
it's
green.
got verdigris.
That's right. So that'll be copper. Okay, let's carry on down the street.
When we first arrived, most of the shops were closed. They don't open till 10 o'clock.
I think we were waiting for everybody to come off the ship, but obviously they don't open till 10 o'clock normally. The times are in the windows. Bikes are a big thing here, like a lot of European places. Just get the bag shop over the road there. There are lots of leather bags, and you can smell the leather when you're walking along. Quite a few restaurants about, scattered.
The first street you actually come to,
A whole street, isn't
the
there?
whole street is restaurants.
Yes. Toy shop, more clothes. Got an ice cream shop here to our left.
Hygge. Now that's the word I know.
Burger.
Hygge.
Uh-huh.
It means it's supposed to be a feeling of coziness, of comfort.
Ah, that's why the wine
Yeah.
is on the bag. But if you pick it up just there, it's right by the flag. It's the white one. There's also a t-shirt there as well with the flag on, the same. Ice cream. I'm going to wander this side because you get more of a view what's on these stalls and that rather than walking behind them.
There's some nice pottery about.
There is, isn't there? Let's just have a look at that. Locally made, I would think. Yeah, local gallery. They don't take euro, well they will take euros here, but they're still working in the Danish krone, which is different to the Norwegian krone. How much was the, you did look it up, what the krone was to the pound, it was 30.
1 kroner is 12p.
Yeah, 12p for a krone.
I think it was that way round. And what I've seen the prices are not overly expensive here.
They're not as bad as Norway.
Oh no, nowhere
a-
near as bad as Norway.
Yeah, Norway is very, very expensive, so it is a little bit better.
I mean, we had breakfast with coffee this morning. I suppose it worked out about 26 quid.
Yeah, it was a strange
For the two
breakfast,
of us.
and I said we had 2 boiled eggs each, little piece of meat, a bit of cheese,
The salami, not meat.
well, salami,
Lots of bread, different
yeah,
breads.
loads of bread, and a coffee, cappuccinos,
And
two
melon.
cappuccinos. Oh, look at this lovely dog. Oh, there's two.
Oh, there
It's the
they
same
are.
two again.
They're
We've been watching them
gorgeous.
this morning. Yes, and melon as well, as Ness said. There's a. I'll get the statue just round here. There's a lovely bit of art, and the dogs are having a paddle. Look at that.
Ah, cool their
Cool their feet.
paws.
Paws, yeah,
They're lovely.
gorgeous, aren't they? Yeah. Temperature today is forecast to be around 25, I think, and it certainly feels it now at
Yeah.
11. It is very warm, but not as hot as it was yesterday in Oslo. It was 32 degrees, I think it was recorded yesterday in Oslo.
33 in Oslo.
33 was it in Oslo. It was very, very hot. We didn't do a video there.
It was just way too hot.
It was too hot. We did take some photographs, but that was about it. Jewellery. The restaurant to our right now is where we have breakfast, Jacob's. And there's a bit of a market on down here, I think. The street to our right now, it is all restaurants down there. They weren't open first thing this morning, except for this one at the top.
Which everyone headed for.
Yes. There are quite a lot of locals in there, so it's popular with
Yeah.
the locals by the look. Oh, some nice shirts on there. Might have to come back and have a look
No,
at
come on.
that. I might have to come back and have
You've
a look.
already bought shirts.
One, maybe two. Oh dear. No, it's not a market as such, it's just the shops with stands outside with their
Yeah.
goods.
They're spilling out onto the street.
Yes. Making it more and more tempting for people to spend money. Ladies and men's fashion. Lots of choices. An idea there, trousers 700 Danish kroner. Shirt 499 kroner. And shirts there 199 kroner. It gives you some idea if you work that out into English pounds. I think Ness has just stalled. Let's have a look what she's looking at.
499 kroner is 57.90
Aha.
for a shirt.
Yeah.
Oh, fish smell.
Yeah, it's very, very strong.
Very strong.
smell
With
of fish. But then it is a fishing port that we're in. That's what it's famous for. And now it's famous for.
that's fish oil.
Mmm. Now,
Ugh, reminds me of when I used to work. Oof, I should be used to it.
yeah, and now famous for as a port for ships. cruise ships. It's the first time for us in this particular port, although we have spoken to one or two people on board ship who said that they've been here before. And what's lovely about this is that it's cobbled streets and no traffic.
Well, apart from the occasional bike
Bikes, yeah,
and the occasional van that's
deliveries,
delivering.
yeah, delivery vans, yes. You've got ATMs, you've got the bank. There's a chemist over there.
Supermarket there.
Everything you need is here. Sort of come to the end of the shopping street now by the looks.
Yeah.
So I think you've seen a little bit of the town now, a bit of an insight of what is here. Anyway, we're going to say cheerio for now. If you like what you see, please click the like.
And subscribe.
And we'll be back again very soon.
Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.